In this video, we're going to learn how to say X is Y in Japanese. Before we start, let's go over some vocabulary. Cat, 猫 teacher, 先生 student, 学生 engineer, engineer, Japanese language, 日本語 Now let's talk about the grammar. X is Y in Japanese is X は Y です。For example, 白 is a cat is 白は猫です。白は猫です。Here, 白 is the name of the cat, and 猫 means cat. Now, what does this do? This is called the は particle, and we use the は particle to mark the topic of the sentence. In this case, it marks 白 and it tells us that the sentence is about 白. So you can think of 白は as for 白. Next, what does this do? This is like am, is, or are in English. It also makes a sentence polite. Please note that it sounds more natural to pronounce it as this instead of です because the U at the end is often dropped. So in this case, this works like is. How about 丸 is a student? 丸は学生です。丸は学生です。丸 is the name of the cat. は marks 丸 as the topic of the sentence. 学生 means student, and this works as is in this case. How about 白 is an engineer? 白はエンジニアです。白はエンジニアです。白 is her name. は marks the topic. エンジニア is engineer, and this works as is. Let's try one more example. 猫 is Japanese language. 猫は日本語です。猫は日本語です。Again, 猫 means cat. は marks the topic. 日本語 means Japanese language, and this works as is. Now let's try some quizzes. We want to say 白 is a teacher. What particle do we use to mark 白 as the topic of the sentence? We use the は particle. What is teacher in Japanese? Teacher is 先生. And how do we end the sentence, especially if we want to make the sentence polite? We end the sentence with です.